If you want to change wallpaper on Google Pixel 10, we have two main ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty area in the home screen in order to find some example wallpapers, and you can also choose wallpaper and style in order to immediately go to the settings of wallpaper and style. But you can also just open settings here, and you should be able to easily find wallpaper and style as well. And you can find some example wallpapers in this place. Over here below the preview, we can also switch to the home screen if you want to. And you can tap on more wallpapers in order to open different categories. So for example, I'm gonna go to, let's say, this live category. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different wallpapers that we can use on our phone. And let's say I'm gonna choose perhaps something like, I don't know, like this bike over here. Here we have the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. We can tap in order to edit the photo, so you can adjust the position, move left and right, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna place it like this, press this check over here in the top right corner, and there we go. Now we can go ahead and press next. In some cases, you might also find some additional settings, but usually if you use one of these default wallpapers, then options are quite limited. You can choose if you want to apply this wallpaper for the lock screen and home screen, or both. And then just press apply once you're ready. And after a couple of seconds, your wallpaper should be changed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.